increase in retirement age to be across board, government, and subsequent discussion on various media platforms on the subject. Full stop. A proposal to extend the retirement age by 5 years has been under discussion, and the justification being given is that the life expectancy has improved, and the government wants to take advantage of the experienced hands, full stop, scientists, intellectuals, thinkers and philosophers, after a lot of brainstorming and research over a long period of time, developed a sort of consensus regarding human output parameters associated with age, full stop. For instance, the right school age is determined to be 6 years, full stop. Prime age is considered between 18 and 13 years, the degeneration commences at 35 years, full stop, and faculties start at 16 years, full stop. In the West, the retirement age in recent years has been upped to 65 years, because the population growth is less than 1%, and in some cases it is even in the negative, full stop. These countries are having problems looking after the aging population, full stop. In Pakistan, however, that is increasing every year, unemployment growing by leaps and bounds, and the economy not doing well, the country will most likely witness an unpleasant rift when the already frustrated and dejected youths get to know that the retirement age has been increased and their chances of getting jobs have been further diminished, full stop. Paragraph. In fact, senior citizen, like me, who have already played their innings, should make way for our children, full stop. This is how nature has programmed the transition, full stop. For how long are we, the older generation, going to be a block for the young who need to be provided with due space and opportunities, question mark. After all, they have to shoulder this responsibility ultimately, full stop. Why should we delay the transition, question mark. Similarly, improvement in terms of life expectancy does not mean that the goal post for the young should be moved beyond their reach, while the already privileged get a bonus by way of extension in service, full stop. As far as experience is concerned, in this age of artificial intelligence and fast-paced digital transformation, in which the young ones are expert and well versed through continuous upskilling, experience plays a secondary role anyway.